Welcome to our Launching Your Affiliate Marketing Journey series, where we help you take off in the field of travel affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll talk about geotargeting. Hello and welcome back. Today, let's chat about geotargeting, what it is, and why it is important when choosing a brand to work with. Without further ado, let's get started. So what exactly is geotargeting? Simply put, it's a way of identifying a website's visitor geographical location. Now, what does geotargeting mean when it comes to choosing a brand to work with? Many brands only accept affiliate traffic from certain countries, while others accept traffic worldwide. These countries will be listed in Travelpayouts when you are browsing programs on the bottom right-hand side, right under languages. So why is this important? Because you want to keep in mind where your traffic is coming from, so they count towards your affiliate sales. For example, if you write about travel in Mexico, you may think that your audience is mainly in Mexico, but a large chunk of your audience could be in the US and even Canada. It would be important for you then to work with brands that geotarget all three locations. In Travelpayouts, publishers can easily filter all the programs that work with certain locations when browsing programs by selecting these countries in the geotargeting dropdown. How do you know where your audience is actually located? If you have a website, Google Analytics is a great option for seeing where your traffic is located, and it's completely free to use. We will leave a link to Google Analytics below for those of you who don't have it yet. Let's do a quick recap. Geotargeting tells you which locations website traffic is coming from. Brands don't usually accept traffic from just anywhere, so keep in mind where your traffic is from when you're choosing to work with a brand. Not sure where your audience is located? Use Google Analytics or your website to find out. In the last tutorial of this course, we will talk about sales attribution. Stay tuned. Until then, browse our brands on Travelpayouts and figure out what program will be a perfect fit for your audience geographical location.